Hello everyone, we are
Fine.
Team ALGOZEN from Joginpalli BR Engineering College. Our project is for UBA Eduthon, that is Unnat Bharat Abhiyan 2025, is titled as ERP-Based Integrated Student Management System. It's an innovative digital solution designed to simplify student management, attendance tracking, and academic monitoring, especially for rural educational institutes. Continued by Sathwika.
In many rural schools and colleges, attendance and academics records are still maintaining in manually on paper. So this is the slowest process and prone to errors and lack of real-time access for teachers, parents, and administrators. So our project addresses these challenges by providing a centralized automated system that connects all stakeholders seamlessly. Further continued by Huzaifa.
So I'm going to explain about the proposed solution where we have deployed a website which is like Edu Manage, where we can register by student by entering our name and Gmail. And creating a secured password and selecting the department where we study and all. So by entering our entire details, we can easily register into the website. So we are logged into the website. So we can hear our solution is to a web and mobile enabled ERP platform that integrates attendance management, academic tracking, and communication into one system. Teachers teachers can digitally mark attendance, record grades, and monitor student progress. Administrators can generate input reports and analyze trends, which parents can receive real-time updates on attendance and performance. The platform ensures the accuracy and transparency and better coordination within the institution. Here we can by logging in the student profile, we can here see the overall attendance and how many classes have been attended, how many here. Next slide will be continued by Suryam.
Key features. Key features include a centralized dashboard, real-time tracking, cloud-based data synchronization, and role-based access for students, teachers, and administrators. The system also supports offline data entry, ensuring usability even in low internet rural areas. Built open with open source tools like Python and React, it's both cost-effective and scalable. Next slide will be Vaishnavi.
Expected outcomes and benefits. The CRP system reduces the administrative workload, minimizes the human error, and improves the transparency in student data management. It strengthens the communication between parents and teachers, supports data-driven decision-making, and enhances the learning outcomes for the students. Ultimately, it contributes to digital transformation of rural education, aligning with the goals of Unnat Bharat Abhigyan and NEP 2025. Further continued by Saharsh.
Coming on to the performance trends, our application basically analyzes and understands the marks of each and every student and gives us a CGPA aggregation or progression in graphical method, as you can see here with the SEM-wise details and according to the CGPAs and in specific semesters or in specific subjects. Next, continued by Huzaifa.
So every student can analyze their performance analysis by programming, database, web development, and etc. So in recent scores, each subject can be allotted subject marks by faculty, when we can see where we can student can be able to access the marks in each subject, like React components of project. We have achieved 92 marks in SQL optimization, 88 marks, and similarly other subjects. So next will be continued by Vaishnavi.
So as we can see here, we can also monitor our fee and payment methods. We can clearly see the total fees, pending fees, and this fees which can be covered by scholarships and all. Also, we can monitor our monthly payment trends and the distribution of how much we paid and how much is balanced.
The main key feature of our application is it has an inbuilt AI chatbot which assists us for the further procedures and for the application. Or next, with this project, Team ALGOZEN envisions a smarter, more connected education ecosystem where technology empowers and students alike. Thank you for watching, and together let's make education smarter, inclusive, and efficient. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.